If you sell building construction materials, you need to pay attention to this video. There's a tool out there that you can start using today that not only is going to allow you to work faster, but will allow you to sell your building products in a way that is completely different than your competition. And the good news is, if you've done any sort of online shopping over the last couple of years, you already have experience with this tool. But you may not have realized that you can take advantage of it for your business. That's why today we're taking a deep dive into 3D product configurators, and we're going to be answering a very important question. How can you tell if a 3D product configurator is right for your company? Now, you're going to want to stick around until the end of this video, because not only are we going to be answering that question, but I'm also going to show you a tool, a platform that you can start using today to help you create 3D product configurators and send you down this potentially very profitable path. My name is Omar from Object, and after 15 years in the building construction industry, I am now on a mission to help companies just like yours stand out from the competition through the power of 3D technologies. In this video, we're going to be discussing 3 out of 7 ways to tell if a 3D product configurator is right for your company. Now, because we're going in depth, we're going to discuss the final 4 reasons in the next video, in part 2 of this video series, how to tell if a 3D product configurator is right for your company. Now let's jump right in. Let's first talk about size, because in this situation, size does matter. Your building product most likely comes in a variety of sizes. Why? Because your building product has to fit a certain situation. It has to fit a certain requirement. In fact, very few building products only come in one size, in a standard size. You really don't see that too much. So whether you're talking about windows, doors, railings, gates, most building products come in a variety of different widths, heights, depths, and layouts, and the possibilities are almost infinite when it comes to different sizes for your customer. The challenge is them visualizing what your building product is going to look like in the size that they need it in. The second challenge is for you in terms of pricing and costing and figuring out what to charge and how much it's going to cost you for each one of these variety of different sizes. So I want you to imagine for a second your customer hopping onto your website, accessing your 3D product configurator, and quickly choosing your product in whatever size that they need it in. But not only that, they'll be able to instantly see a 3D interactive model of what they just designed. So that means they'll be able to zoom in, zoom out, click and rotate, all from the comfort of their home screen on their iPhone or on their computer, quickly see exactly what it is that they're getting in interactive 3D. But that's not all. They'll also be instantly able to get pricing on your product based on whatever size that they've chosen it. This is powerful, and this is something that you need to be considering if you sell a building product in a multitude of different sizes and shapes. Now, before I go on, if you think that this video is providing you any sort of value, please hit the subscribe button. The second thing that you need to consider when considering a 3D product configurator is asking yourself, does my building product have any sort of modularity? That means, can you swap out one component for another? For example, I come from a railings background, so I know that a guardrail can have a variety of top caps. It can have a round top cap, a square top cap, or a rectangular top cap. And within each one of these categories, there's a variety of sizes that can apply. So when you think about it, your one product is actually a multitude. It's almost like a million different products, because your product can be altered and designed in almost any way, shape, or form. Now, it's not just about giving options to your customers. It's a little bit more than that, right? Because when your customer designs your product exactly how they want to see it, they're engaging with you in a way that's very different than most likely what your competition is doing. And when they're engaging, they're learning. When your customers are learning from you, learning all about you, they're practically selling themselves. So if your building product comes in a variety of different components and is modular in any way, shape, or form, take a hard look, a serious look at a 3D product configurator. Now, the last thing I'm going to discuss in this video is e-commerce. Do you want to sell your building product online? And if the answer is no, why not? I mean, I hate to break it to you, the internet is not going anywhere. In fact, more and more people every day are relying solely on the internet to do their research and to do their purchasing. So once your customer has your building product designed exactly how they want it, why not offer them a buy now option? That's it. Seamlessly and easily close the sales process. Go from design to a sale on your website within just a matter of minutes. What can this do for you? What could this do for your revenue? What could this do for your business model? What could this do for the future of your company? Now, this is a game changer, right? Consider this. This possibility of designing a building construction material in a variety of sizes, different components, this just wasn't possible until just a couple of years ago. To do this was out of reach for 99% of our industry. And if you could actually do this, you had to spend a ton of money to do so. But now with platforms like ShapeDiver, I have to, full disclosure, I am a partner of ShapeDiver because I believe in what they're doing and I see that they're the only and best solution to creating a 3D product configurator for a building construction product in a very quick way. With ShapeDiver, you could quickly go from a grasshopper file, which isn't too difficult to do if you know a little bit about 3D modeling. You go from a grasshopper file to a 3D product configurator on your website within a matter of minutes. This is huge. This is a game changer in our industry, and you should be taking advantage of this. Now, let me ask you one last question. How can a 3D product configurator automate your production process, saving you a ton of time? To find out the answer to this question, you're gonna have to watch the second part of this video series, how to tell if a 3D product configurator is right for your company. To recap, we talked about sizes, we talked about modularity, and we talked about e-commerce. That's all I have for today. Until next time, again, my name is Omar from Object. See you later.